I'm Dr. Joe Griskavitz. They usually call me Dr. Joe or Dr. G, and I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon. And I'm here to talk about my post-recovery kit. Has our label on it for the clinic, Griskavitz Twin Cities Cosmetic Surgery, post-recovery. We do this mainly for tummy tucks, and I haven't opened this box yet. So let's see what's, yes, okay, so they've got a pulse oximeter, which is kind of cool, ice packs, they've got stuff to help you sleep, stuff if you're constipated, most of all for like tummy tucks, they've got the leg squeezers so that you can help prevent a blood clot going from the leg to the lung. So all kinds of goodies and fun stuff, and here's the video showing you how to use it. So anyway, if you want to have post-recovery kit when you have your surgery, give us a call. Thanks.